I am sitting in the waiting room. There are a few other people here. Everyone is quiet. The chairs are comfortable. There is soft music playing. I try to relax. But I am not relaxed. I have a blood test today. I don't like blood tests. It's not the test that I don't like. It's the needle. I tell myself, do not flinch. I said that last time too. A nurse opens the door and calls for me. I stand up. My legs feel a little heavy, but she smiles at me. That helps a little. I follow her down the hall. The doctor is already in the room. She looks up and says good morning. Her voice is warm and friendly. She asks me how I am feeling. I say I'm fine. I don't mention the needle. She checks a few things first. My blood pressure, my weight. She writes some notes. Then she says it's time for the blood test. I already knew that. I was waiting for those words. I look at the ceiling. I don't look at the needle. I say to myself, don't flinch. Stay still. It will be over fast. The nurse is very gentle. She is good at her job. I can feel that. Then I feel it. I flinch. Just a little, but I flinch. The nurse doesn't say anything. I feel a little embarrassed. It's over quickly. The nurse puts a small bandage on my arm. Then she tells me I did well. I don't think that I did well, but it's nice of her to say. The doctor comes back. She says everything looks good so far. The results will take about a week. I thank her. She smiles and says she will see me next week to go over the results. I like that she says it that way. I walk back to the waiting room to get my things. The other people are still there, still quiet. I step outside. The air feels good. I think, next time, I will not flinch.